In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block junk mail in Hotmail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Outlook on the web and how to stop unwanted senders from cluttering your inbox. First, open your browser and head to the Outlook sign-in page for Microsoft 365. This is the normal place you log into your Outlook or Hotmail account. Click Sign In and, if you're prompted, choose your existing account to continue. Enter your credentials as you normally would. Once you're signed in and your mailbox loads, we're ready to adjust your junk mail settings. Look to the top right corner of your mailbox for the settings gear icon and click it. A quick settings panel will slide open. From there, locate the section that lets you open the full settings. In the full settings view, select Mail to focus on email-related options. This left-hand menu organizes everything you might need, and Mail is where we'll find the junk and blocking tools. Within Mail, choose Junk Email. This page controls how Outlook handles suspicious messages and who is allowed or not allowed to reach your inbox. Scroll down the page until you see the section called Blocked Senders and Domains. This is where you tell Outlook exactly which senders you never want to see in your inbox again. Click the option to add a blocked sender. A small field will appear where you can type the email address you want to block. Enter the address carefully so it matches the sender you're trying to stop. If you receive spam from many variations of the same source, entering the domain instead of a single address can be helpful. For example, adding something like example.com blocks everything from that domain. When you're satisfied, confirm by clicking OK. Outlook will add that address or domain to your blocked list right away. From now on, messages from that sender won't land in your inbox. They'll be filtered based on your junk settings, which helps keep your main view clean and focused. If you continue receiving unwanted messages, repeat the same process to add more addresses or domains to your blocked list. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Be sure the address you block is the one actually sending the spam, as some messages spoof display names. Also, it's a good idea to occasionally glance at your junk folder in case a legitimate message is misclassified. You can mark it as not junk to help Outlook learn. That's it. Simple, effective, and done right inside Outlook on the web. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner inbox.